Alright, so this is a 2015 GMC Yukon SLT. It's my best friend's truck that I went to high school with. Bought the truck to me to do a complete interior detail. Clean and shampoo the headliner, vacuum the carpet, shampoo the carpet, lay down all the panels, clean the glass, everything. I was gonna get it washed for him, but he on his way to get it, so couldn't do that for him. But like I said, the entire inside of the truck has been cleaned and everything. So door panel, front seats, and then the other thing too is that this seat was messed up as far as the functioning of it. It wouldn't go back and forth. Like I said, from when he got it back from the transmission shop, like I showed y'all, it was just nothing but a fuse that was blown. So we replaced that also for him. So that's fully functional again. But like I said, all this is clean. And I mean, it was bad too. So tire dash wiped down. Inside the hills all just dirty, just nasty. So got all that cleaned up for him. So I don't know if y'all can see that. Then this is the back seats. Down the panels for him. Everything been wiped down. Back in the hatch. And look, I'm glad he did bring it back to me too, because it was some more wires that went to this lithium bank that he has back here that came with the truck. And those wires I wanted to get a little situated better. So like I said, those are zip tied up a little bit better than what I had it. So they're completely out the way. Like I said, all the panels back here wiped down. Carpet has been shampooed, valving. This is the other side. Everything is brand damn new. I just told him on the phone, like, man, you ain't want nobody getting in your truck after this. That's a damn guarantee. So, like I said, I detailed too. Need your car detailed, shampooed out. I do that also. So, like I said, everything is wiped down. Everything wiped down. You're gonna be happy when you get this back. So, that one out the way.